Hi everybody, my name's Craig, and this is my 1952 Ford. And the goal is to get it running and driving since it's been sitting for about 30 plus years. So anyway, more to that to come, but anyway, I just wanted to explain what I'm doing here. So this is my 1952 Ford. I'm redoing the intro on this and I've already done some work on this. I've got video of it. I got an intro. You guys don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, here it is. We're coming around. I put it on wide so you can see better this way. I'm running this GoPro thing. It's new. And as we go around here, we go in the back here. And I'm gonna come around this way and see if I can keep from hurting myself. The back tires are off it because right now we are doing brakes on it. I just need to come back around here, show you. It's a very cool car. And there we are. Pretty neat, huh? I will open up the hood. We'll show you what the engine looks like. It's kind of a walk around or whatever you want to call it. There it is. So I've put wires, plugs, points, condenser, and I put a new fuel pump on it, and it runs. Let's see, new belts. So that's that. Now going through brakes, but I'll show you that here in a minute. I'm doing the back ones. Right there, got new cylinders. Let me walk around this way. And there's that one there too. So the interior in this is rough, but it's not horribly bad. There it is. Door panel. I took the back seats out of it because they were wet and need to dry out, but the floor pans don't look too shabby. It's, for the most part, not bad. He's a headliner. The dash is really nice. I don't think this car's been repainted, but we'll find out when I get it home. It's dark blue. It's a pretty color, but it's got massive patina, and that's what I want. Let's see. I'll come over here to the other side. There's the V8 car, obviously. Got a cracked window. Hey. Let's see where I got it. Door panel. Door. Stay there. Good. Here's the interior. The other side. Check out the dash on this thing. It's just so cool. Clock. It does go into gear. Headliner is extremely rough on it right now. Seats. We got some rust in the lower pans, but nothing horrible. Nothing that can't be fixed, let's put it that way. Open up the trunk for you here. I've got stuff in here. You can see I've got lots of junk in here, but it's leaking water. The tire tub is good. That's good. Very little rust. Well, to be honest, it's not bad at all. Everything looks good there. Really good there. I mean, it's It's a patinaed. It's got around 51,000 miles on it ish. Yeah, I gotta fix that. It doesn't latch. There's the brake drums in the back off. There's the brake shoes. There's a jack. Anyway, bunch of different stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm working on and where I'm going with on these videos. Anyway, it's a 1952 Ford. My name is Craig, and I'm gonna muddle my way through this because I have never done this before. This is all new to me, so I hope you guys all enjoy the video mess that I'm gonna be doing here. Anyway, I'll see you guys all later. Bye.